you could just, you know...
What the hell are you doing?
What the hell am I doing? You just broke my fridge!
What? How do you know it's even broken?
Oh, you think I don't know what breaks my fridge? Excuse me. Well, what do you know? Broken. That'll be $400.
Joey, I saw you push him.
You pushed him?
Joey, I did not break this, okay? That has been broken for a while.
Chandler, remember I told you about our fridge?
Uh-huh.
I still haven't gotten the check for your half yet.